everybody, and happy afternoon. Where are we going?
Oh.
The pool. You guys, it's crazy. I was watching Noah's second birthday with Noah. I went to like a baseball game and stuff. And he sounds just like PJ. It's a birthday present, because you're turning, how many are you turning?
How old are you turning, Noah?
2. Where are we going today?
Baseball.
Baseball.
Okay, open up your present. Oh, what is it?
Pizza.
Is it a baseball jersey?
Yep.
You want to see it?
Do you like it?
Mommy.
You
Yeah,
wanna
you're
wear
gonna put it on.
Look at it, Noah.
Wow.
What?
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
You look like a real baseball player.
Hey, Anthony.
Hey, Rizzo. Wow, do you like it?
No.
Do you like your jersey?
No.
They have very similar voices, or like tones to their voice, which I don't know if that's good or bad for PJ. But the words they were saying were so similar. Oh my nose is like still a little burned. What, you went to buckle?
Yeah.
We have to get in the car. Okay, well we have to take it off when we get in the car, okay? She really loves going to the pool, but doesn't always love participating at the pool. Hopefully, because I'm probably gonna get in. It is hot today. I'll probably get in. We're going to the pool with Monica and her sister-in-law, and it'll be really fun. PJ just loves the whole idea of the pool. I'm hoping she'll enjoy swimming today since I'll be in with her. I'm braving it, guys. It's so hot here. I'm braving the prego bod and, you know, like thigh stretch mark, the whole shebang to get in the pool today. Woo! It's gonna be interesting. But you know, I'm just like, whatever. I'm pregnant, I've had 2 babies, and it's hot. I'm gonna get in the pool. Anyway, it's just so funny how similar PJ and Noah sounded, and like the words they were saying were so similar. Baseball! And it was just so cute. So, you know, they're on the same track. Sometimes, you know, you're always a little worried, like, is my kid like on the right track for speaking and everything, but Noah didn't really start like saying like a lot until after he was 2.5. And I think PJ's just right along the same way. But now he talks just fine, and he's very advanced with speaking, huh? Yeah, he's coming. They had to go get some water. But today was actually kind of funny because we planned all day and all yesterday to go to the baseball game today, this afternoon, our last Cubs game of spring training. And I'm like running around getting things done because I've had a lot of things to do today. Like there's like baby shower today, and there's just a lot of always things going on with the ladies in the ward, which is really fun. There's always something to do. But today there's just a few things on the same day. So I was like running around trying to get errands done and all this stuff in the morning, and I come home. I'm like, okay, let's pack up. I'm like making sandwiches and throwing snacks in the bag and all this stuff. And then literally Sam comes out, he's like, oh, the game's Friday. Today's not Friday. Hi, sweetheart. You're so cute.
Duck.
Those are flamingos.
Duck.
They look like ducks, but they're flamingos.
Duck.
Okay, it's a duck. You're right, I'm wrong. And clearly, on my calendar over here for Friday, it says Cubs game. By the way, one of the best gifts I've ever received from my mother-in-law is this calendar, because I actually use it and it's actually very helpful. Sam puts his stuff on there, I put all of my stuff on there, but it's fun. So tomorrow's actually the last Cubs game we're going to, so that'll be really fun. I'm kind of glad it wasn't today, just because today was kind of crazy for me. And it's good. PJ got a great nap in. And right now we're gonna pack up. They went to the store really quick to get water and stuff. We have to get a new fridge filter. The water just tastes kind of gross coming out of it right now. Did you poop? She's just laying here. You look like a supermodel. What are you doing? You're just gonna lay there for a minute? I'm like sweating. You guys, also, I'm looking real large. Almost 30 weeks. Monday, I will be 30 weeks pregnant. So I'll do a little update then. I guess I'm in my 3rd trimester. Also, Sam picked up this, I don't know why he has Raven on there. I don't know what that means. He bought this cool little board to like put little words on. And I'm thinking tomorrow I'm gonna do film a little names I like but won't be using video, and I'll put the names on this board and talk about them or whatever, because I think it'd be fun to use this board. But also you have to punch out all of the letters, which kind of is annoying. But I think that would be fun. I'm not gonna put our top 2 names on there, but I'll put some other names that I really like, but we won't use. And I'll have Sam come up with a few of his own too. I think that would be fun. I always like watching those videos to get like name inspirations, you know? And it's always interesting to see everyone's different taste in names. I don't know, I never really thought I had a taste in names, but I don't know. You can decide, whatever. So I think that'll be fun. I'm gonna do that tonight. After I put the kids to bed, I'll punch out all the letters and make the board with the names. I honestly don't have that many boy names, but I'll try to come up with a few more. And I know I deleted some off of my list that I was like, oh, well, we're probably not gonna use these, but I'll try to remember some of those too to put on there. Because there was a lot of names I did think were really cute, and Sam was just like, no. But that's whatever. We'll see what's on there. Hi, so cute. Are you gonna swim with you? Yeah. Yeah.
She thinks she's a puppy dog.
Whoa, hi. Are you swimming? Are they squirting you? PJ's making friends, but they're just squirting her. Not too far, that's too far, too far. You're gonna slip. PJ only puts her toes in. Good job! There's this little princess. Hi, you want a grape?
You want a grape? Yeah.
Yeah, you just want to eat the food, you don't even want to go swim. Are you gonna actually swim or no? More, you just want the food?
March Madness, baby, is back again. Another week. Loyola Chicago versus Nevada. I want Loyola Chicago to win. If Nevada wins, that's kind of cool too, because I want the Mountain West to do well. Over here, what's going on?
Do you feel it, buddy?
What is it?
What does the baby have?
The hiccup.
The hiccups.
You can feel the hiccups?
Yeah, feel, babe. Feel.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's so crazy.
Oh my gosh, this baby is like, I feel like he's already making its way out.
Really?
On my bladder, all day.
What do you think, Noah?
His head just like down there, like I always do.
Yeah. What do you think, buddy?
You feel it?
Mama, maybe Erica needs a baby.
Erica needs a baby?
Yeah.
You can tell Erica that.
No, you tell her.
Why do you want Erica to have a baby?
I don't like babies.
You like babies?
No, I
You
don't.
can probably see it through my dress.
I can keep a steady hand.
He's got major hiccups right here.
And just in that minute while we were doing hiccups, Loyola Chicago goes up 10. How awesome would it be if they won it all? That'd be insane. I'm still laughing that we were all ready to go today to the game and then realized that the game was not today. It's because all the games we've gone to have been Tuesday and Thursday, so it was just kind of in our routine that if there's a game, it's gonna be Thursday. But, okay, I'm gonna rapid fire. You can just start swinging it at a bunch of balls, okay?
You too.
Okay, this kid. Living and breathing baseball. Hey, can we clarify? Am I forcing you to play baseball or like baseball?
I want to play now.
A little higher. Woo! There's one. Go, Sissy, go!
Here comes.
Woo! That was a good one. Cute girl. Look at you hold that bat. Hit it. Ball, yeah. You gonna hit it? Her little stance. She gets her stance and then just freezes. Good. Now swing the bat. Swing the bat at the ball. Swing it.
Sorry, that was
Good. Hit it. She's so cute. Oh, sorry.
There we go.
Woo! Woo! 2 in a row. 3 in a row. go.
Oh no, sorry.
4, 5. Whoa, that came close to me.
Oh.
Wow. Put your hands higher, yeah.
Oh, my bad.
Woo!
That was really good.
Really good.
This is our second time we've ever done that.
Seriously, good job, buddy. Look, pop your knee.
No, look at me.
Behind the scenes, you will see this picture on Instagram, I'm sure.
You guys might have peace.
Now I would say congratulations. Ha, wah, wah, wah.
Ooh, leg kick. Oh my goodness. Power. Oh, hello.